Today we're sharing our honest thoughts on the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils. This product contains a blend of castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil, and is designed to seal in moisture and add shine to hair. In our household, we found it works wonders for a variety of hair types. Personally, I use it on my beard to moisturize both the skin and hair. It's great for reducing beard irritation, which is a big win for me. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which we really appreciate. It leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. And for my beard, it gives just the right amount of shine without looking oily. One thing we love about this oil is its versatility. Whether you're locking in moisture for natural curls or taming a beard, it performs consistently well. Plus, the added vitamin E is a nice bonus for overall hair health. We did notice that a little goes a long way. If you use too much, it can feel a bit heavy, especially on fine hair. But with the right amount, it's a fantastic addition to your routine. If you're looking for an affordable, multi-purpose oil to keep your hair or beard moisturized and healthy, African Pride Moisture Miracle is worth considering. We'll definitely keep it as a staple in our routine.